Granville here from LAM Communications again, and part of our junk sale stock has arrived in a few bits and pieces. As you well know, if you've dealt with us before, this equipment here is actually sold as seen. There is no warranty, therefore it is sold at a decent price instead of the usual 12 months. Slightly increased prices. Kenwood SM220 monitor scope. I've actually had this on myself, and when you transmit you can see the pattern on the scope. A few amplifiers for the CB. Looks like a Dayton filter. There we go. A few speakers. We've got a 2 meter set. An old multimeter. Whereas some people into the vintage equipment do actually like that kind of stuff. 75780. We did have a full 757 lineup, but somebody seems to have purchased that. VFO 520. I think some of this was here before. AOR 3000. There's an AOR 1000. There's a TR 9000 SSB 2 meter set over here, and the solder station. And also down here, MFJ DX beacon monitor. We keep changing this, so please keep watching. There may be more. Also, please keep looking at the website and our adverts. Thank you very much. Speak to you again. Bye.